Just a quick cast iron cooking episode or whatever, and I'm making AngleFlake biscuits to be cooked in a cast iron frying pan, and I just got the dry ingredients together, and I'll mix in the wet and ball it up and come back. And here's the dough mixed up in a bowl covered with plastic wrap, and that's going to sit here for 2 hours and rise, and then be manhandled and then made into biscuits and put in a cast iron frying pan and left to sit and rise for 8 hours. So see you later. We're back. We're just going to pat this dough out. I can find my tools. Hope these turn out, because I looked at my yeast and it's could be fresher. Anyways. Just trying to make up some layers here. I've not done this recipe before, so okay, that should be it. That's about the right thickness. These are yeasted biscuits, so they will rise. And we're going to cook them in a cast iron pan for Cast Iron Wednesday. last ugly one. Anyways, these will get covered and put in the fridge, and the next time we see them we'll be ready to put them in the oven. Just freehand, and we're just working on a couple pots of beans to go with the biscuits I'm making. So anyways, I gotta get going. I gotta get these into the oven. Anyways, fresh out of the oven, there's biscuits cooked in a cast iron frying pan. AngleFlake biscuits. It's a new recipe I'm trying. And baked beans. These are enamel cast iron pans with smoked pork shoulder. 2 pails so I can have some leftovers. Okay, so that's pretty well it for this video. There will be a apple pie one, which I'll give you a sneak peek of. And there's the apple pie. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, whatever, and I'll see you at the next one.